Hello class 4. Let's continue chapter 4. Adaptation in animals from science. In the last class we have finished up to aerial, arboreal and terrestrial animals. Today we are going to study about amphibians. Animals that can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Toads, salamanders and frogs are amphibians. On land, amphibians breathe with their lungs. In water, they breathe through their skin. These animals have folds of skin between the fingers of their feet. These folds are called waves. Their feet help them to swim in water. So children, what are called amphibians or amphibians animal? Amphibians animal means the animals which can live both on land and in water. Okay, animals which can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. So some examples have been given: toads, salamander and frogs. Okay, so salamanders, toads and frogs, they can live both on land also and in water also. Means on land they can breathe on land also, they can breathe in water also. Understood? That type of animals are called amphibians. On land, amphibians breathe with their lungs. So when they survive on land, when they are on land, they breathe with their lungs. Understood? So in water they breathe through their skin. Okay. So in water, this frog, toad and salamander means amphibians animal. They breathe with their skin in water. When they are in water, they breathe through their skin. Understood? So they have these two special features. That's why they are called amphibians. Okay, so what are that special features or important features? When they are on land, when amphibians animals are on land, they can breathe through their lungs. When that amphibians animals are in water, they breathe through their skin. Understood? So that is why they can survive on both, on land also, in water also. These animals have folds of skin that you can see in their toes, skin between the fingers of their feet. Okay, so between this finger there is a skin which is folded. Okay, and these folds are called waves. So this folded skin of this amphibians animals are called folds. Their feet help them to swim in water. So this the feet of this amphibians animals help them to swim in water. Now next topic is adaptation for food. So children, up to here we have done adaptation in animals. Okay, so first one we have done terrestrial animals, isn't it, and amphibians and aerial, arboreal and aquatic. So why these animals can survive on these places according to their adaptation. So now next one is adaptations for food. So this all animals, what kind of food they eat. So let's start. Different animals eat different kinds of food. To help them to eat their kind of food, they have special kinds of body parts such as mouth, teeth and claws. So adaptation for food. In this lesson we are going to study about the animals like terrestrial animals, aerial animals, amphibians, arboreal, this all animals, what kinds of food they eat and how they eat, what body parts help them to eat their food. Okay, so they have special kinds of body parts such as mouth, teeth and claws, which help them to eat their food. Cows and horses' teeth. So this is horse's teeth and this is cow's teeth. Now what is the function of this teeth? Now these animals are called herbivorous because these animals eat only plants. Okay, so herbivorous animals eat only the plants, fruits and nuts that we have already discussed in the last chapter. So that animals are called herbivorous. Now herbivorous animals or herbivorous eat only plants that we have already know. They have sharp front teeth. So they have sharp front teeth. In the front of their mouth they have a teeth which is very sharp and which help them to cut the grass. So this sharp teeth of herbivorous animals only. Okay, that sharp teeth help them to cut the grass. That's why they can easily bite the grass and cut the grass and have their food. Flat and strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. Flat and strong grinding teeth which help them to chew their food. Okay, so this at the back of their mouth they have flat and strong grinding teeth. That grinding teeth help them to chew their food properly and they can swallow their food. Cows, horses, deer, rabbits are herbivorous. These are some examples. So they are herbivorous animals and they have this type of teeth which help them to grind their food and chew their food and they can easily swallow their food. Understood? This much for today. Thank you, class.